Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox assets not loading on PC. This will be a quick and easy guide, so follow along step by step to fix this problem for you. Just before we go ahead and begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's proceed with the video. The first thing that I'd recommend or check is basically close up Roblox entirely. To do that, just go ahead and exit out on Roblox if you're currently opened up. Go to click on your taskbar, click on Task Manager, and make sure any process that includes Roblox or supports Roblox is currently closed. If you see any Roblox entirety, just go ahead and right click and add tasks. Next one to check is basically checking your compatibility for Roblox. To do that, just go ahead and right click on Roblox right over here, click on properties, compatibility, right over here. Make sure to check on disable full screen optimization and run this program as administrator. Go ahead and check that out, click apply and then OK. Go ahead and open up your Roblox and see if the problem still persists. Now if the problem still persists, I'd recommend basically, if you did download Roblox on your browser or any other browser, basically what I'd recommend is downloading Roblox entirely on Microsoft Store. So once you uninstall Roblox on your PC, go ahead and go to your start menu right over here and then type in Microsoft Store. So basically on your Microsoft Store, download Roblox from this app right over here, or the store entirely. As you can see, Roblox is currently here. But beside from that, that is entirely all for today's video, guys. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. If it did, please like this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.